Mabuza elected deputy president of the ANC, occupying a bigger position than the one he held before. Mabuza was born in August 1960. He matriculated at Kumbula High School and studied at Mgwenya College of Education and later at the University of South Africa. Mabuza's involvement in politics started as a secretary of Azania Student Organization, Azaso, chairperson of NUSA, treasurer of FEP, a coordinator of the NECC, chairperson of SATU, amongst others. Mabuza served as an MEC for education in Mpumalanga. He has been the ANC Mpumalanga chairperson since 2008, MEC for housing, member of parliament, MEC for agriculture and land administration. Mabuza is said to have played a role in 2007 when he supported Jacob Zuma's successful campaign to become president of the ANC. He supported Zuma at the ANC National Elective Conference in Polokwane. Later, Zuma appointed him Mpumalanga Premier in 2009. The Mpumalanga Premier is alleged to have countless links to alleged corruption. There are also allegations that Mabuza is behind multiple political killings in his province of Mpumalanga. Mabuza was also reportedly behind the arrest of a journalist who published articles about a man who claimed he was hired by province officials to be an assassin. In 2010, 14 million in cash was allegedly stolen from his house. One of the local newspapers reported at the time. However, South African Police Services Organized Crime Unit in Mpumalanga said only 1,200 was stolen. In 2015, another newspaper reported that Mabuza was allegedly poisoned and was forced to take 2 months leave from his role. In 2014, he started the David Mabuza Foundation, which offers educational funding and builds houses for the poor. In 2016, Mabuza lost a 10 million defamation lawsuit against ANC veteran Matthews Posa. He claimed Posa had distributed an intelligence report that alleged he was an apartheid spy, the mastermind behind the so-called Unity candidate. He called on thousands of voting members and branches across the country to cast their vote for Unity.
Today you're coming for Unity, all of you.
He was seen by political analysts as an antithesis of what Cyril Ramaphosa represents. How the two will work together is anyone's guess. Mabuza is reported to have snapped gatherings addressed by Ramaphosa in Mpumalanga, saying he was not invited. He has been described as a kingmaker going into the conference.
Comrade David Mabuza is the new Deputy President of the African National Congress.
Mabuza has now been elected the Deputy President of the ANC at the organization's 54th National Conference. Lehana Tsotetsi, SABC News.